Hi, Johnny here, and here she is, Soul of Greece. My dad's boat, 1966, Bertram 25. She sunk about 20 years ago, and here she sat ever since, collecting garbage and all sorts of stuff. He named her after one of his favorite albums, Soul of Greece, done by the 101 Strings Orchestra, and I'm hoping that maybe we could sort things out. I don't know if I'm allowed to, but I would like to use some of the music in our future videos. If you have any idea where we could help us figure out the copyright stuff, that would be appreciated. In the meantime, I guess we'll just be using the free stuff, the uncopyrighted stuff.
Whoa.
We're not professionals in restoration or videography or in editing. So our videos might be a bit crude and need to be fine-tuned in the beginning, but hopefully we'll get better as we progress in the project. We put together a little time lapse with some instrumental music in the background of us cleaning out all the dirt and debris and garbage. Hope you enjoy it, and see you in a bit. Okay, well, it's actually a few months later since we did the initial clean out. Life happens. Delays, I guess that's expected. But here we are, back again. Hopefully to make some more progress. Trying to organize moving it, which has been a challenge. Trying to find a reliable crane who will actually answer the phone, talk to you, and commit. Looks like I found somebody, and well, look like it's gonna happen. So just came to check out to see if any other debris and stuff built up. There's a bunch of the stuff we threw out previously, which we gotta clean up. But yeah, it doesn't look too bad. You see how faded that box is compared to what it used to look like. Yeah, idea how long it's been between videos. But everything looks pretty much the way we left it. Oh boy. This is gonna be a lot of work. A lot of work. Everything is in such terrible condition. Broken glass, rotten wood. Oh man. New cushions for sure. Everything is just filthy. Full of animal poop. Poop, can I say poop? Boy. Steering wheel maybe be able to save. Compass gotta go. I like to keep the seat. I want to keep as much original stuff as possible. Which I don't think is gonna be a whole lot. So, anyway, one bite at a time, right? One bite at a time, inch by inch. It's a cinch. Man. Yes, my two associates and Blackbeard Boatworks. Nathaniel on the left, Nicholas on the right. Gonna make it happen. So, God willing, we're gonna try and get them moved from this yard to my yard in the morning, where we could clean up a little better, assess everything, and see. Well, just see what it's gonna take. It's gonna take a lot of work and a lot of money, I know that. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. All right. Well, that's it for this video. If you like what you saw and you feel like supporting us on our future videos, please subscribe, leave a like. Appreciate your patronage and look forward to doing more for you guys. That's all.